So, you have an idea for a film. Great. It might be about frogs that take over the world, have designed a machine that turns everyone into flies that can be farmed as a food source. But that's where you're at. You can either start typing away and hope that your fantastic idea starts to write itself, or you can take your film idea to another level. In my eyes, that starts with one of these. Taking your idea and putting it into something physical helps slow you down. It gives your idea more time to form, more time for you to reflect and see the shortcomings of your idea. But most importantly, it lets you work out the tone of your film. I always find that the hardest part of these books is working out what you should put in them first. All you must remember is that it doesn't matter. What I tend to do is I leave the first few pages blank and come back to them later when I feel like I've started to work out how I want the film to feel. After that gap, I like to make a page filled with questions. These questions could be anything. Questions that you have about the film, questions that your character might want to ask, questions about your character, questions you might want to ask your character. In this section, I tend to avoid logistical questions about how we should film it and concentrate on the story itself. Let the idea build first. Another page, you could outline the resources you have and build on what's around you. I do thought streams where you write down anything that comes into your head. Have pages where you get into the mind of your character at their best and worst moments. Go crazy with your character if you want to. Write out the same word 500 times that reminds your character of their one regret. Draw anything that makes you think of your film. An object, a place, a scene in your mind that just sticks there. Print out a colour, a picture that makes you feel the way you want your audience to feel. You are building the tone of your film in physical form, extracting the inner workings of your feelings, capturing emotion. Making a film can take months, years, or a day or two. But you need consistency. If you are to direct a film, manage a crew's creative processes, you need your rock. A thought that you can come back to time after time and feel exactly the same. You are not making a book. You are making a thought in your brain. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope that you found this video useful and or inspirational. If you haven't already, please give this video a like and even subscribe if you like the look of our other content on our channel. We have loads of free short films for you to check out on this channel and some exciting projects coming up in the near future. If you want to keep up to date with our latest stuff, you can follow us on Instagram or even Twitter and Facebook at SebCoxFilms. On my Instagram at the moment, I'm trying to do a post every single day, so we're seeing how that goes. But thanks again, and I will see you next time.